What's up, guys? So I am very excited to announce the official Cutlerylover Victorinox knife. That's right, this is a collaboration between myself and Victorinox and BladeHQ, because this is going to be a BladeHQ exclusive. And we've been working on this project for a little while now. They wanted to feature some different YouTubers, which I think was absolutely awesome. I'm very honored to be part of that idea. So you see the little box here on the back here says Cutlerylover, and it is a classic SD. This is a Swiss Army knife that pretty much everyone's aware of. There's a ton of models out there, but when you say Swiss Army knife, this is the one a lot of people know about, even people who aren't into knives. So with no further ado, take it out, take a look. So there I am. There's my face, well, a caricature of me anyway. You know, like if you went to the fair or the boardwalk or something, you have that painter paint the like kind of cartoon version of you. Well, that's what's on this. I think it's pretty fun, pretty cool. Most people don't like looking at themselves. I am definitely one of those people, so it seems a little odd to look at my own face on a knife, but I'm extremely flattered to have it on there. The overall theme, if you don't see it already, is a cigar. So the entire knife here is a cigar. My logo is on a cigar band, okay? On the reverse side, we have the BladeHQ logo, which is on the band. All right, and obviously on the end here, we have the burning ember and the ash. And then, of course, we also have the Victorinox logo. So Victorinox, BladeHQ, and yours truly. So, yeah, I mean, it's just a custom scale on a classic Victorinox SD. Now, a lot of people are familiar with this particular knife, but just in case you're not, it has a little pen blade, which, although small, is extremely sharp, very handy. We also have a combination nail file, all right, as well as a small flathead screwdriver. And on the other side, we have a small pair of scissors, which really come in handy. I use these little scissors to trim my eyebrow hairs. It's good to stay groomed. We also have a little split ring, all right? So most people do like to carry these on the keys. And then, of course, we have a little plastic toothpick on one side and a little pair of tweezers on the other side, which also really come in handy. So again, if you're interested in this knife, jump on it while you can. And I do suggest you pick up all 4 YouTube specials, because that's going to be one cool collection in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.